Okay, so I woke up this morning with zero hearing in my left ear. And this has happened usually when I take a shower, and the hearing will go out, and then, 20 minutes later, it'll pop up open, the ear will open. I'm like, yay, it's opening. Well, I went 7 hours and was not getting any hearing in my left ear. And I was like, oh no, I'm in trouble. I didn't know if I had permanent hearing loss. So the question of this video is, can earwax make you where you can't hear completely in one ear? Google tells you that that's not possible. I'm telling you that it is. I did go to Walgreens and I did purchase the Debrox that you put in your ear and you let it sit for a few minutes. And I tried that and it didn't work. And I was like, oh crap, I'm on vacation. So I decided to go to this emergency, well, it's a walk-in clinic. And it was 24 hours. They took me in, and I'll show you in a second what the earwax look like. But they basically use a hydrogen peroxide water solution, but it's like a pump. And it took 30 minutes for the doctor to remove all the wax. And here's a picture of the wax now. So as you can see there was like almost like a pea-sized thing obstructing it.